Rin!
He's a singer.
Beyond the door, the space I'm sure, and I know there'll be no more. It isn't heaven. Thank you so much. Rin, salamat. Thank you so much. Hello, brother Spencer. Where are you from?
Hello. I'm from the Philippines.
I thought you're American. Mukha siyang
Why?
American.
You look
Rin,
American?
arigato. No, I'm Filipino too. Filipino.
Ah, yeah.
Ah,
Nice to meet you, bro.
nice to meet you, brother. I'll follow you. Rin, salamat. Nakauwi na po ako. Nakauwi na ako sa sa condo.
Oh, you have condo?
Yeah, here in Pasay.
Wow.
Pasay. Saan ka, brother? Dr. Dam! Rin,
From
arigato.
Zambales.
Sambales.
Yeah.
May lahi ka siguro kaya you look America, mukha kang kano. Guys,
I
no?
see.
Kuya, napogi silence. Miss Mary Joy! Rin, arigato. Anong ginagawa mo dito, brother, sa live? Kumakanta ka din?
Not really, but love to talk to. Hanging out.
Chatting. Okay. So,
Yeah.
miss na yan.
Ay! Buhay. So
Ilocana.
do you sing, yeah?
Hmm?
Hold on. How old are you?
I'm 27. Yes, I'm 27. Pare ko, yes. Rin, nasan si Rin? Nawala na ba si Rin? Ale, Tanyong! Ba't siya gumagalaw?
Only 27?
Yeah, I'm 27. Miss Ale, thank you for the follow. I'm 27 years
You're
old.
kidding me.
Yeah, I'm 27. I'm 27 years old.
Okay, guess how old I am.
Same 20, 27 or 28, like that, 29.
No.
Miss Virgo, you look 25.
Higher.
Parang ayaw pa maniwala sa iyo Miss Christy ayaw. 29, mga ganon, 29.
Higher.
Oh, 30s ka na?
Higher.
Di halata. 35. Boss Trix, hello. 30,
I'm
mga
about
30.
to go 40, bro. 39. About to go 40.
Grabe na. You look young, brother. You look young.
Thank
Grabe
you.
naman. Malapit ka na mag-40.
Yeah.
Healthy living siguro. Healthy living. Healthy living.
Yeah.
Parang
I don't drink.
nagpipinoy.
I don't smoke. Only water. I don't drink.
Say,
I don't smoke. Only water.
we're same.
Really?
I don't drink. Yeah. Hindi rin ako hindi rin ako nag-smoke. I don't smoke. Hindi rin ako umiinom ng alcohol. Parang nagpipinoy henyo kayo Naghula kami dito.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, 15 seconds. Boss Kaiser! 5 seconds. Guys, sir, salamat.
Thank you, Miss Cuddy. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you.
Kanta ulit tayo. Okay.
Oh, okay, boy. Thank you.
Salamat, brother. Salamat. Nice to meet you. Next time na lang.
Nice
Next
to
time
meet you.
na lang, ha.
Yeah, I'll see you
Oh.
next time.
Salamat. Bye-bye.